What's going on, everyone? Charlie here. So what we're looking at is the order book for GameStop. Now, what do you notice? There's a lot of TRF, right? What does that stand for? Trade Reporting Facility out of FINRA. It's the same one that's linked to the ADF facility, and these highlighted orders that come in are prices that are below the NBBO. So what do we see here? We see giant run from GameStop. Everyone's going crazy like this hasn't happened before. Well, if you've been in this in January, then this should not be exciting because what do you know is going to happen? They've delivered on FTDs, right? That's what just happened. That's why this run happened. There's news that came out. Now, I already see a bunch of FUD going around on the internet like the NFT situation wasn't already expected from GameStop. That's already expected. Second thing, layer 2 Ethereum is not completed yet. So there's no reason for an announcement to be made concerning the NFT from GameStop. Everyone seems to forget that unless it's from the company itself, don't listen to it. What are they trying to do? It's all about premium, folks. But hey, just trying to shed some light on this situation. Now, while I get it, it is exciting, it's fun to watch, sure. But does that mean we go FOMO options tomorrow? Absolutely not. Just a reminder. But I have 2 alerts set. I have one for the $110 mark, that if that goes off, I will be looking to average down. And I have an all-time high alert set that if it goes off, then I will get somewhat jacked. But until then, I'm not going to let them keep playing off my emotions by doing the same shit every so often. So just keep that in mind. Hopefully this can hold, but we'll have to wait and see. Again, they pushed the price down just so they could deliver on their FTDs. And then the news article that they released was justification for this run. They like to point fingers. They blamed the NFT marketplace news, quote unquote. That's not news at all. But yeah, a lot of TRF orders coming in here. So those are your FTDs most likely. And you got TRF and NAS are the top 2 brokers. So again, this is nothing new, but I get it. It is exciting to watch, but just keep in mind, we've seen this before. Have a good one.